Your kitchen, your way.
Hey guys, welcome to Your Kitchen Your Way. In this video, I'm going to be making some stuffed shells with chicken, bacon, and ranch. I'm going to show you how I did it. Let's get to it. So this is the dish. This is how it turned out. It turned out better than I expected. It was so creamy, so cheesy, and delicious. And I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. To start off, we're going to need some roasted chicken breast. I picked this up at my local grocery store, but you can roast it yourself if you like. We're going to use 1.5 of this. Next, I have some bacon slices. I like to cook my own bacon, but you can use the pre-cooked as well if you want. We will also need some cream cheese and some grated garlic, some butter, and here we have our ranch seasoning mix. We need some diced onion and some Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, some pepper. We don't need salt. There are a lot of salty components in this dish already. We need some whole milk or 2% or whatever kind of milk that you want to use for this. And here is our shell. I am using the jumbo shells. So here's my chicken. I'm going to remove the skin and dice this into little cubes. Remove any bones that are in the chicken. It's my chicken all diced up. Now it's time to cook the bacon. As usual, I'm going to start by adding my bacon to a cold pan, and then I'm going to add the heat and start cooking it. After 5 to 7 minutes, once my bacon starts to brown, I'm going to flip them over. Once my bacon is all ready, it's time to take them out and let them drain on a paper towel. Remember guys, if you're enjoying my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to my pan, to make the sauce, cheesy sauce, I'm going to add a butter. Once my butter is melted, I'm going to add in my diced onion. I'm going to let this cook until it's translucent. Next, it's time to add in the garlic. I'm going to cook this for about 30 seconds to 45 seconds. To that, I'm going to add in the milk. Next, it's time for the cream cheese, the ranch seasoning mix, as well as the pepper. I'm going to mix this together and break the cream cheese. We're going to mix this until everything comes together. And also we're going to cook this on a lower heat. To our boiling water, we're going to add in our jumbo shells. Don't forget to season your water with salt. To the cream sauce, I'm going to add half of my Parmesan cheese. give it a mix, and I'm going to turn off the heat. This is the bacon that I cooked earlier. I'm going to break them apart to smaller pieces. This is my chopped bacon. Now to my chicken earlier, I'm going to add half of my bacon, half of the mozzarella cheese, and the remainder of my Parmesan cheese. Also, I'm going to add about half a cup of my cheesy sauce. I'm going to mix it together, trying to break in the chicken to little pieces. Now to a baking pan, I'm going to add some of my sauce on the bottom to coat the bottom. Now it's time to stuff the shells. I'm adding my chicken mixture in there. Try to add at least about 1 teaspoon of the mixture in the shells. Once I am done stuffing all the shells, I'm going to top this with some of my sauce. Leave some of the sauce for serving. I'm going to spread this as much as I can. I'm going to add the remainder of the mozzarella cheese on top. As well as the remainder of the bacon. This is going to go into the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes when the cheese is all melted. And once it comes out the oven, I'm going to garnish this with some chives. And this is it. This was quick, it was easy, it was delicious. And I hope you enjoy this. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to like and subscribe.